Hello everyone, I am Preeti Sharma, Assistant Professor from Department of Information Technology of JCRC Jaipur. Today we are going to discuss topic on distributed agreement in distributed system. Agreement protocol in distributed system where several sides communicating via message, some type of trust between them is required for this side make some sort of agreement for mutual working. Some processors are faulty and some processors are non-faulty. System model part of the agreement protocol. We use 4 steps in system model. First step, there are n processor and at most m of the processor are faulty. Second step, the processor can directly communicate, and third step, processor communicate with one another by message passing, and the receiving process always know that identity of the sender. Fourth step, communication medium is reliable. Next topic is, for example, use of Lamport algorithm. Lamport algorithm for solving Byzantine agreement problem. Byzantine agreement problem is part of the agreement problem. Agreement problem is classified as 3 categories. First is Byzantine agreement problem. Second is concession agreement problem, and third is interactive agreement problem. Okay. uh, Example for the Byzantine agreement problem. Okay, we use two diagram, case 1 and case 2. P0 is non-faulty and P0 is faulty. We use 3 processor, P0, P1 and P2. Okay, and second diagram is same processor use 3 processor, P0, P1 and P2 use. Okay, P2 is faulty processor and P0 is faulty processor. Okay, show in diagram. Next step, P0 is non-faulty. P0 is broadcast 1 sent to P1 and P2. P2 is received 1, but P2 is faulty processor, then sent to value is changed. P2 send 0 value to P1 and P1 send 1 to P2. Okay, is it clear? P1 received 2 values, so agreement is possible. Okay, suppose P0 send 1 to P1 and 0 to P2. Okay, because ki P0 is faulty processor, P2 communicates 0 to P1 and P1 received 2 value, so agreement is possible. Okay, that is clear. Next is agreement problem classification. There is 3 classification. First is Byzantine agreement problem, second is concession problem, third is interactive problem. Byzantine agreement problem is a single value is initialized by any arbitrary process and all non-faulty processes have to agree on that same value. For example, different many sites is site 1, site 2 and site 3 and so on site. So site 1 is value is decide 5, then other side is same value on work. Okay, second is concession problem. Concession problem is every process has its own initialized value and all correct processor must agree on a single common value. For example, different many sites, side 1, side 2, side 3. Side 1 is a value is 1, and side 2 is 2 value, and side 3 is 3 value. And decide is same common value for side 1 is decided the 1 value, and all side is work on common value. Okay. Next is interactive problem. Interactive problem is same to consistent problem. Every process has its own initialized value, and all non-faulty process must agree on a set of common values. Okay. And description of the Byzantine agreement problem. Byzantine agreement problem: the source broadcasts its value to all other process, and agreement all non-faulty process are on the same value. And validity of Byzantine agreement problem: if the source process is non-faulty, then the common value agreed on by all non-faulty process should be the value of the source. Second problem is consistent problem. Consistent problem is every process broadcast its initialized value to all other process, and initialized value of the process may be different, and agreement all non-faulty process agree on the same single value for decide all the sites, because all the sites work on different value, then decide the single value. Okay. And validity if the initialized value of every non-faulty process is V, then the common value agreed upon by non-faulty process must be V. Okay, is it clear? Next is third problem is interactive problem. Interactive problem is every process broadcast its initialized value to all other process. Initialized value of the process may be different here, because की सब sites working on different value and set of common values. Okay. Agreement is all non-faulty process agree on the same vector. Same vector is v1, v2, so on vn. Okay. And validity is the if the ith process is non-faulty and its initialized value is vi. Okay, is it clear? Then the ith value to be agreed on by all non-faulty process must be vi. Okay, is it clear? Next is oral message algorithm. Oral message algorithm based on the distributed agreement is denoted by OM. Okay. We show on the diagram. Is 1 and 2. Okay. First is consider a system with a 4 process. 4 processes is P0, P1, P2 and P3. Initialized algorithm P2 is faulty. Okay, is it clear? P2 is faulty process, and to initialize the agreement P0 execution OM is oral message, whereas it send 1 to all process. P0 send 1 to all process. All processes P1, P2 and P3. Okay. That step 2 of OM algorithm. OM algorithm वही same और oracle message. Okay, oral message. Okay. P1, P2 and P3 execution the algorithm. P1 and P3 are non-faulty, and P1 send P1 send 1 to P2 and P3. Okay, is it clear? And P3 send 1 to P1 and P2. Okay, and P2 is faulty and send 1 to P1 and 0 to P3. Okay, after receiving all messages and P1, P2 and P3, step 3 is P1 receive value is 1 1 1 and then common value is 1, and P2 is receive value is 1 1 1 1 1 and common value is 1, and P3 is received 1 1 0. 0 is sent to P2. Okay, its common value is 1. Okay, both condition of the Byzantine agreement are satisfied. Okay, next second step, second diagram is same processor, 4 processor use P0, P1, P2 and P3. P0 is faulty processor and P1, P2 and P3 is non-faulty. Okay, P0 send one value is P1, P0 send 0 to P2, P0 send 1 to P3. Okay, P1 receive one value. Okay, and P1 send 1. P1 send 1 to P2 and P3. Okay, and P3 is send 1 P2 and P1. Okay, and P2 0 send P1 and P3. Okay, P1 is received value is 1 0 1 and then common value is 1, and P2 is received 0 1 1. Okay, and then common value is 1, and P3 is received 1 1 0 is common value is 1. Byzantine agreement are satisfied because same value is working on the 1. Okay, and the same diagram is communicate each other because value is 1, agree value is 1. Okay, thank you.